Things guys, hey ngifuna ukukhuluma indaba kaLeon noThuli ama-content creators ase-KZN. Uthe uLeon ushaya intombi yakhe or ex okuyi-ex manje ushaya intombi yakhe. Cabanga uLeon, ngimthanda ngathi uLeon ngathi unsubscribe kule channel. Hayi mara if bokuLeon ade postile ukuthi ushawa intombi bebozodaya wenza content, but because of Thuli abantu they believe it. Yo guys, nibonile guys ukuthi FNB manje ayisekho secure. People are getting hacked on their accounts. Just imagine losing money on FNB. Economy kanje is so. Economy is so. Then you lose money in your bank account. What shit is that? FNB must be held accountable for doing such things. Akwazi, it can't akwazi ukuthi abantu baluze imali. Bheka hlala endaweni ezinjani. Kawufana ucinge KFC, kawufana ucinge. Ngacela ukudla inyama enhloko njengendoda. Bheka ngigcoke iskipa senhloko. Kudlula inhloko bakudole skipa, kudlula inhloko strong. Hayi maraya. Why kuso? Yes guys, bengibheke into African casting last year. Yo, a few weeks ago. Lo mlungu ngiyabakhokhela labantu amantombazane lawo. Iyawakhokhela akabaraphi mos. Yazi amantombazane phela bathanda imali phela. They love money. Yabona thina that was singing nabantu because no one wants us because it's nyungu. They have money. Mawufuna ukuthi ngibe nentombi, subscribe to my channel. Kwazi nami monetize nami ngibe umuntu. Make me a person, man. Make me ndenze umuntu, ndingenza umuntu. Sundigqwirha, undenze umuntu, ndenze umuntu, sundigqwirha. Yeah. Mara siko lapho. Hey, cabanga nje. Even my TymeBank account was hacked. I was like, why cabanga masukune business account out of nowhere. I was like, you guys, you. Nimbona SK Khoza guys uthole i-role. And kubuyile, it is a spin-off, since it's a spin-off from Black Door to Isita. Ukhona lapha mara ngathi ubuye as a new character. How can a show that it does this ukuthi ibuyisa umuntu as a new character but it is the same show, just they change the name and the storyline? I like cabanga ahamba ekhaya abuye sokusibuda or ahamba usibuda ubuye sokuziba guys kwenzakalani with these South African productions. Hayi manje ngiyadinga irole lapho Paradise. I need a role in Paradise. So mara siko lapho I auditioned for Paradise ne as a choir gospel singer. Bangifake egroupini ngathi igroup yama extra. Cabanga. But boy extra udla number last. And sometimes unokufika ubu number last khona. Bathi akudla kuphelile. Cabanga ngesikhathi lunch ulambe isisu siyakhala. And i-bank account awubhadalwa enough uthola 200. Lo 200 imali eshebo phela, imali eshebo. Yo. Ngeke phela yo. Then bathi hayi or uzothi uyadla ne one spoon usathi uyasikha bathi hayi going to set kanjani. You bring your own clothes to set. Impahla zakho lezo sishuta ngazo. Abona impahla engigqoke ngazo, ngishuta ngazo somewhere. Impahla zami ngishuta ngazo. They don't provide transport for us. Asina transport in. Siyaziyela on set. Manje simaphana imali ukugibela. Kunemali encane ekhokhwayo. Guys ngeke. Production ngicela nisweleni guys. Ngeke kube mnandi phela baseshaya yethu toy. Manje ngiyabasha ama toy ama background, ama extras, amagwala, cowards. Kiri cowards ntotseli. For backgrounds. Yo! Why baso? And like guys, why singayilwi lena silweni lena, let's fight this guys ukuthi kwazi ukukhokhelwa kahle. Otherwise we'll be ever since I've joined this industry I've been getting paid the same money ever since. Yeah. I'm the most talented actor. Even directors know manje abazokutshela. Guys ngeke subscribe to the channel guys. Angifuna lo ngikhuluma into eyi. Subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button, share the video. Ispread njengesibumbu eSouth Africa. Njengesibumbu kuFacebook. Yeah, ispread guys. Thank you.